Looking for the ultimate fun at-home activity for your family? Introducing Play On. Play On is a screen-free audio musical adventure with an accompanying storytelling kit delivered right to your home. Let's see how it works. Your kit arrives at your door. Let's see what comes in the kit. This is a Play On adventure kit for kids ages 5 and up. The Ice Cream Factory Fiasco and Agent 11 adventure. Kids can do this on their own. No parents needed. This is the Kids Fight Evil Villain Handbook. In here is where you're going to get all the important information on how you become a secret agent. Up next, you get to fill out your own ID badge, but it's not you on the ID. You get to create your own secret identity. Ooh, I'll put on my secret agent glasses, my lanyard, and my challenge cards, and I'm ready to go. Oh, but wait, how will I know where to go? Phew, there's a map. Last but not least, you will need a super special secret agent lockpick thing. Trust me when I say it's a very powerful tool. On the enclosed info sheet, locate your audio password. Log on to playonkit.com and click on Kit Audio. Choose the title of the kit you ordered, unlock the audio with your password. Voila! The audio tracks for your adventure. It's time to put on those headphones or set up your speakers so you can listen to the adventure. And just so we're clear, this isn't some kind of sit on the sofa adventure. No, you're going to be up, dancing, diving, and dodging. Oh, but don't worry. The tracks will tell you everything you need to know. All right, Agent 11, that's you. Are you ready to save your town from a flood of hot fudge sauce? Your mission? To save the day. Wait, I forgot the best part. You can go through the adventure again and again because you get to choose your own path. And you can listen to the awesome music whenever you want. Tracks are right there on playonkit.com. I'm so excited for other Play On kids, the Gingerbread family, for the whole family to act out together, and Twinkle's musical adventure. Imagine, create, dream, adventure, Play On.